Conversations Unveiled, Mastering Questions in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into a key aspect of English conversation, asking and answering questions. Mastering this skill can be a real game changer in your English language learning journey, helping you navigate social interactions with ease and confidence. In any language, questions are an essential part of communication. They allow us to gather information, clarify understanding, and keep conversations flowing. Questions show our curiosity and openness to learning from others, which is particularly important in English-speaking cultures. By mastering the art of questioning, you'll not only improve your English skills but also your ability to engage and connect with others. English questions generally fall into two main categories: open-ended and closed-ended questions. Closed-ended questions. These questions are typically answered with a yes or no. They're often used when the asker wants to confirm or deny specific information. For example, do you like coffee? Is it raining outside? Open-ended questions. Open-ended questions, on the other hand, encourage a more elaborate response. These questions often start with words like how, why, what, where, or when. For example, what's your favorite book? Why do you enjoy running? As you become more comfortable with English, try to incorporate more open-ended questions into your conversations. They are a great way to encourage deeper discussions and learn more about the person you're speaking with. Formulating questions correctly in English can be tricky due to the subject-verb inversion that often takes place. Here are the basic rules. 1. In yes, no questions, the verb usually comes before the subject. For example, did you eat breakfast? 2. In questions starting with question words: who, what, where, when, why, how, the question word is followed by an auxiliary verb, then the subject, and finally the main verb. For example, what did you eat for breakfast? Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice forming questions, the more naturally it will come to you. Responding to questions is just as important as asking them. Here are a couple of tips. Closed-ended questions. While you can simply respond with yes or no, try to add a bit more information to keep the conversation going. For example, if asked, do you like coffee? Instead of just saying yes, you might say, yes, I love coffee. I need a cup to start my day right. Open-ended questions. These are your opportunity to share more about yourself. Don't be afraid to give detailed answers. For example, if asked, what's your favorite book? Instead of saying, I like Harry Potter, you could say, my favorite book is Harry Potter because I really love the magical world that J.K. Rowling has created. Remember, the goal of any conversation is to engage, share, and connect. And that wraps up our video on asking and answering questions in English. Remember, becoming proficient at asking and answering questions will help you become a better English speaker, make your conversations more engaging, and allow you to connect with others on a deeper level. So don't shy away from using questions in your conversations. As always, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing and never hesitate to ask questions. See you in the next video.